First thing I needed to do was take control of my mental health, then I could take care of my physical health. Once I've been able to do these two things, now I'm stepping out into the world of my financial health. What can I do? How can I make money?
What's doing, Biz?
We're back. Another grinding day. Just got done talking to my kids. Made me feel amazing.
101! I love you so much! Up to heaven!
I don't get to talk to them that often, so when I do get to talk to them, it's always extremely special. I've set my whole week out on the whiteboard of accountability. Quite a good thing for an entrepreneur like myself. Necessary. So what's next? We're headed to the gym. So I've decided to get off the black coffees. 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning and I'm still awake. Just come down with the caffeine a little bit, and I've adjusted the cardio a little bit, especially with the recovery of my leg. Doing 45-minute sessions now for a week just to see how we go. That's where we're at, ladies and gentlemen. Feeling a lot better. I can walk normally now without any pain. She's doing good. She definitely wasn't torn. She's definitely like a good pull. You definitely get a good pull in Thailand, huh? You know, a good pull. Oh, Jesus Christ. So I think it's just a pull, so we'll see what happens. Oh yeah, big girl, I got action.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Baby, you should relax.
Another glorious day in the kingdom of Thailand here.
What do you want?
Relapse.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
You don't help me, you don't shot.
Yeah, we got a new, come on, reach. Get it. Yes.
Anything's possible!
Anything possible,
Yeah.
I can do.
Good, very good. This is day 2, back in the gym. Just gonna go do some cardio.
Wake up, idiot!
ทางมันเลี้ยวตรงมันจะไปเลี้ยวทำไม
Headed to immigration to fix my visa. Looking sharp. Just need the glasses. Look like the real expat. I don't know if I'm allowed to film in here, so. So it was pretty straightforward. 2,000 baht, an extra 3 months in the kingdom. In the kingdom of Thailand. The population of Thailand is, what does he say?
Huh?
No, don't worry about it.
You want to come here, you want to come say hi.
We'll go Big C. Let's go get some big food. Because I'm big hungry. I find it a little annoying that you have to renew your visa every, you know, whatever it is, every 3 months. I get it. If you just want me to pay the money, I'll pay the money. But all the documentation, signing it, getting new photos, it's like if I didn't have all that stuff before, I wouldn't even be allowed in the country. So why do I have to re-provide insurances that are already valid for a year? If I didn't have them valid for a year, I wouldn't have been able to come here in the first place. It just doesn't make sense. If I'm wrong or I'm missing something, please tell me. I'm a little lost here. Oh, I'm sweating my tits off here. It's an epic comb over. Takes me back to never, because I've never had straight hair. I remember I got bashed by 6 guys once, and their excuse was, oh, he has an afro and I'm jealous. Just finished with the taxi, now we go to the Big C. like I said in the beginning, it's just another grinding day. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for getting this far. Just a couple of days, things that I did here in Ubon. Thanks for all the support. Just a quick message to everyone. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Let me leave you with a bit of value. One of my favorite quotes: if you see it in your mind, you will hold it in your hand. Just finished shooting a video for my landing page. Got some epic things happening with What's Doing Biz. Check it out. If you're interested in making money online, affiliate marketing, taking control of your life, I spent a lot of time doing things to make my life how I want them to be. First thing I needed to do was take control of my mental health. Then I could take care of my physical health. Once I've been able to do these two things, now I'm stepping out into the world of my financial health. What can I do? How can I make money? I don't want to go back to Australia and have to work a job that I don't want to work. I want to be able to work from home. I want to have optimal time with my children. Dad, I got a football game. Dad, are you going to be here at this time? Yeah, I'm going to be there. I'm going to be there. So I'm not going to be dead at 45 from a heart attack. No boss is going to tell me, oh, you got to work, or you got to do OT, or you got to do this. I'm going to be there. That's what I want. So if you're the same, if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Check out the link below. I've got a great platform on education on how to make money online. If that's something that you've always thought, man, it'd be so cool to make money online. It'd be so cool to be able to do this from home. I had that same feeling. I truly did. I wanted to be something so much more than I was, but I didn't know how. And then I found a platform. That's how. If you see it in your mind, you will hold it in your hand. That's powerful stuff. It's true. It's real. If there's something you want, you got to work for it, but you got to see it in your mind so you can hold it in your hand. I'll catch you later.